In this video, I am going to show you how to use DeepSeek R1 offline with Ollama. Let's get started. First, download and install Ollama on your computer. It works on Mac OS, Linux, and Windows. After installing, open your terminal or command prompt and type Ollama to make sure it's installed correctly. Next, you need to download the DeepSeek R1 model. In your terminal, type Ollama pull DeepSeek -R1:8BA for a good balance of performance and quality. If your device is lower end, you can use a smaller version like DeepSeek R1:1.5B. Once the download is complete, run the model by typing Ollama run DeepSeek -R1:8B. You'll see a prompt where you can start typing your questions and it will respond directly on your machine. At this point, everything runs locally, so even without internet, DeepSeek R1 will continue working. To confirm it's fully offline, you can turn off your internet and run the model again. If it still responds, then you're all set. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.